How to make your FB account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTube. If you're also trying to make your Facebook account private, then let me show you the process that you need to follow and the settings that you need to manage in order to make your account private. Open up your Facebook app and then tap on the menu on the top right. From this menu, you can just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and open up settings. Inside of settings of Facebook, tap on profile settings and tap on privacy. Now inside of this section, you can see the section of your activity and how people can find and contact you. These are the settings that you need to manage in order to make your account private. So firstly, under your activity, you can see who can see your future post. You can set this as friends, or you can also set it as friends accept, and you can even exclude some friends and tap on see more, and you can also choose specific friends that you want to show the post to. Similarly, you can also manage these settings such as who can see the people, pages and lists you follow, who can see your stories, and who can see your future reels. If you want to make these private as well, you can tap on these options and select it to friends, or you can also do this custom option and select some people only. Next, under how people can find and contact you, you can set who can send you a friend request to friends of friends instead of everyone, and then who can see a friend request to only me. This way, not everyone can send you a friend request and no one can view the friend list that you have. Other than this, you'll also have an option of who can look you up using email address, phone number. You can select these options and set it to only me. So once you manage these settings and toggle on these settings, your account of Facebook will be made private. There is also an option called Facebook profile lock, but that option is not available to everyone. If it is available to you, you should be able to see it right around here. But as you can see, it is not available for me either. If you have that option, you can just tap on it and lock your profile. So that way you don't need to do the steps that I just showed you. So that was the exact video on how to make your account private. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.